And knowledge makes a man unfit to be a slave. Good morning everyone on this glittering morning. Today, how diverse is this day? Undoubtedly, it is a beautiful day as the scent in the air smells of humanity, kindness and equality. So, dear audience, hold on to your hearts because you may discover the beauty of this day as our event unfolds.
On this auspicious day, when we have gathered together to celebrate humanity, human rights, equality and kindness. So I am Pakhi. I would like to welcome you all. Besides, I feel honored to welcome our honorable management, student and parents. So I hope you all enjoy our event.
10 December is an opportunity to reaffirm the importance of human rights in rebuilding the world we want, the need for global solidarity as well as our interconnectedness and shared humanity. 2020 theme Recover Better Stand Up for Human Rights. This year's Human Rights Day theme relates to COVID-19 pandemic and focuses on the need to build back better by ensuring the human rights are central to recovery efforts.
Good morning everyone. I am Dharish Sharma representing today's theme Stand Up for Human Rights. So, we aim to discover, bolster more transformative actions and showcase practical and inspirational examples that can contribute to recovering this more better and fostering more resilient and just societies.
Kindly share your views on right to education. So please.
As the topic is raised, right to education, I want to say that everyone has the right to education, even rich or poor, even it is high caste or low caste. Everyone has the right to being educated, going to school, going to college and become a more successful person.
No, if everyone will get the chance of study and all, then who will be our servant?
Why? Is it their birthright to do household work, baking food and all in your house? Is this their birthright? No, their birthright is to being educated, become a more successful people even than you, even than me, and being educated. And I just want to say that everyone has the right to education.
Okay, please share your views on right to equality, please.
The poor people cannot be equal to us.
Why the poor people cannot be equal to us? They can be capable, they can be work with us by matching shoulder to shoulder if they get the chance and being treated equally in the society, equal in any basis, and cannot, if society didn't do discrimination on the any basis like gender, race, color, etc., then everyone can be capable of living in a high society.
Let's move on next. Right to gender.
The gender. It is the main problem of our country. After the day also, we are discriminating on the basis of gender and race. Why only the women do the household work? Why couldn't the man do?
No, the women are meant for the house chores. Our country is male dominant.
Now you have told me that our country is man dominant. So why the right to gender is only for the men and not for women? Why the man is fully dependent on the woman for their food and everything they need?
Finally, last but not the least, which we are grouped here to discuss, that is right to freedom.
Right to freedom. Everyone in the world has right to freedom. He can express his views, can do whatever he wants, keeping the laws in the mind and without harming any person. The person should fulfill their basic needs, and that is food, clothes and shelter.
I oppose. Freedom must be to the capable people as they can explore and come out from each situation.
But each person can keep his thoughts in front of everyone which he or she feels, and can even feel like a bird. This right they received by the bird till the whole life.
We will reach our common global goals only if we are able to create equal opportunities for all, address the failures exposed and exploited by COVID-19, and apply human rights standards and to tackle entrenched systematic and intergenerational inequalities, exclusion and discrimination.
At last, the conclusion is that we should not have to discriminate between the high caste or low caste, between the poor or rich. So, everyone has the right to education, right to gender, right to equality, right to freedom and etc. So, according to this year's theme, I am also speaking, you also speak with me. Stand up for human rights.
Thank you everyone for watching us. We are honored to have you today. Besides, we treasure your valuable time and patience. Hence, this is the ending of our program. So, take care. You may share your views in the comment section. Thank you.